So, greetings to everyone. Now we will go over how to record your voice, a voiceover for a video directly in the CapCut app. First, we add a video. For me, it will be a picture of a cat. We add the video sequence. And under the picture, we have a button labeled voiceover. We click on it, and this kind of panel opens up. In this panel, we can modify the sound recording in various ways, including selecting the microphone and adjusting the volume of your voice. And to start recording, we need to press the big red button. Press the big red button. Now, the recording has started, as you can see. And to finish and save it, you need to press the same button again. As you can see, my recording has been saved. And it was saved as a regular sound overlay. I hope this video was helpful for you.